Welcome back to Mastering Languages channel.
Mastering Languages チャンネルへようこそ。This is N5 Grammar Lesson 7.
これが N5 文法授業7です。In this video, we will be learning the basics of verbs which are required for JLPT N5. Now, let's start with verb groups. So group number 1 are verbs ending in u. For example,
読む、書く、
group 2 are verbs ending in ru. For example,
見る、食べる、
group 3 are irregular verbs. For example,
来る、する。
now let's start with group 1 or
グループ1 There are lots of verb forms in Japanese, but in this video, we will be learning the forms covered in JLPT N5. 辞書形
or dictionary form. So, dictionary form is casual or informal talking or writing. For example, when talking with friends or juniors, you must not use it for elders or superiors. So, to get the dictionary form of a verb, we must use the
うだん
or u line. So, in the u line is this row. For example,
買う、書く、出す、飲む、待つ。
now let's go to the masu form. So then the masu form is used for formal or polite talking or writing. For example, when talking with elders or superiors. You can use it for friends or juniors. So to get the masu form from the dictionary form of a verb, we must
いだん、足す、ます。
add the e line plus masu. So for example, we are going to use the verb kau over here. So kau. So the ending is u here. So then in this column, we see that the e line is e. So what we do is we do ka i masu. Same goes for this. So the examples would be
買います、書きます、出します、飲みます、待ちます。
now let's go to group 2 or
グループ2辞書形
dictionary form.
いだん、足する。
So that would be e line plus ru. For example, let's take the verb miru. So the verb miru is this. The e line mi plus ru. Now let's go to the masu form.
いだん、足す、ます。
The e line plus masu. Again, here, because the first letter is mi, we just take out the ru and then add masu. For any group 2 verb, we just take out the ru and then add masu. For example, here, oriru. So we take out the ru and add masu to get the masu form of this verb. Same goes for okiru. Now let's go to the examples.
見ます、おります、起きます。
So there are some exceptions. They are
着る、知る、走る、入る。
etc. So these verbs actually are considered in group 1 and not 2. So please be careful about that.
えだん、足する。
That would be a line plus ru. For example, taberu. So in the second letter here is he or is be. So we just add 2 lines or tenten to this to make it be. But then this is still in the a line. And then for neru, the first letter itself is in a line. Now let's go to the masu form.
えだん、足す、ます。
That would be a line plus masu. So here it would just be taberu. So we take out the ru and add masu, which will become tabemasu, which is the masu form of this verb. Same goes for neru. We take out the ru and add masu. For example,
食べます、寝ます。
now let's go to group 3 or
グループ3辞書形
dictionary form. So there's no certain rule or particular rule for this. So you must just memorize them.
来る、 する
Same goes for the masu form. There's no specific or particular rule.
来ますします
Now, let's have a quiz. Please choose the correct verb group from the options below. Question number 1.
話す
This means speak. Is the verb in A, group 1, B, group 2, or C, group 3? Please think of an answer. Now, let's check the answer. So, the correct answer is A, group 1. This is because the ending is su. It comes in the u line. Question number 2.
借りる
This means borrow. Is this verb in A, group 1, B, group 2, or C, group 3? Please think of an answer. Now, let's check the answer. So, then the correct answer is group 2. This is because the second letter is in the E line. As we can see, it's re. It's in the E line. Question number 3.
言う
This means to tell. Is this verb in A, group 1, B, group 2, or C, group 3? Please think of an answer. Now, let's check the answer. So, the correct answer is group 1. This is as the last letter or the second letter is in the U line. Question number 4.
開ける
This means open. Is this verb in A, group 1, B, group 2, or C, group 3? Please think of an answer. Now, let's check the answer. So, the correct answer is group 2. Group 2. This is as the second letter is in the A line, and this is usually in group 2. Now let's go to question number 5.
する
This means to do. Is this verb in A, group 1, B, group 2, or C, group 3? Please think of an answer. Now let's check the answer. The correct answer is group 3. Question number 6.
着る
This means wear. A, group 1, B, group 2, or C, group 3. Please think of an answer. Now, let's check the answer. So, the correct answer is group 2. Group 2. This is as the first letter is in the E line. Question number 7.
出る
This means go out. A, group 1, B, group 2, or C, group 3. Please think of an answer. Now, let's check the answer. So, the correct answer is group 2. This is as the first letter is again in the A line, which is de. Question number 8.
来る
This means to come. A, group 1, B, group 2, or C, group 3. Please think of an answer. Now, let's check the answer. So, the correct answer is C, group 3.
何里
ありがとうございます。
Thank you
If you liked this video or found that this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel.